Gary with Dorchester Tire Service. By now, many of you have come to know us as Boston's most reliable and fastest tire and auto service center. For tires, oil changes, and state inspections, we get our customers in and out so quickly that many of them think of us as their personal pit crew. But occasionally your vehicle may need service that requires more time. A brake job, new suspension, front end work. In this case, take advantage of our complimentary shuttle service. If you live in the area, work in the area, have friends or family to visit the area, or just want to go shopping nearby, our comfortable customer shuttle will take you there. And if your in-laws live in the area, we'll tell them it's broken. And when your vehicle is ready, if you'd like, we'll come pick you up. At Dorchester Tire Service, we will take great care of your vehicle and you.